Welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be doing a boyfriend versus
girlfriend photography challenge.
Alright, cue the intro. Hey guys, so right now I'm going to pick up Sujin and Shaf first. And as you see, the weather is not that good, but hopefully everything's go well.
Hello.
Hello, Chef. Are you excited?
It's hot, so not really.
So today we'll be having a special guest. Here, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Shaf. I'll be their models for today.
So today our challenge is to take photos of her, and you guys will be the judge of who does better.
Yeah, and we'll be using this disposable camera to shoot this challenge. Right, let's go. First picture. Let's do it over there. Just like this. Then look at me.
Look at you?
Yeah. Just lay down.
Okay.
Yeah, just lay down. Right. Look at me. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Like this picture. Let's do one more. Yeah. Hold the hand like this, then just look at me. Ah, nice. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Oh, just like this. Just feel. Look further. Look at him. Yep. Just get down and like this, then look over there. Hold on me. Then you can just try like those very artistic pose. Like 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. This one, same thing. You just squat down here. Just look at me like that. Yep. Nice. Two, three. Okay, I think this one. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Okay, just hold it and just put closer to your eye. Nice. 1, 2. Good. Okay, right now you can just stand here. Then you just like act like balancing. You can be careful. Be careful. Yeah, just maybe you just close your one. Yeah. Right. This side. Okay. Okay, we are done. Done! Woo!
So now it's my turn to take photos of her. So let's pray that the photos turn out good. Right. I want you better. Let like cover one eye. Yeah, that's nice. 1, 2. Okay, that's nice. Can you sit on the rock? I mean sit on the ground. Sit on the ground and you do this like that. You sit elongated. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Can you pull further? And right up. Yes. This hand can do that. 1, 2, 3. Oh. I'm gonna beat your ass. Yeah. Can you not straighten your arm too much? Have it natural. Yeah. Your finger a bit. Yeah. 1, 2. Can you pretend to take this from here? Stand right in this spot here. Wait, you go through that.
Sand.
Okay,
That is a lot of sand.
that's only one shoe.
That's only one shoe. So the other shoes are got. Behold.
My shoe.
Ooh. Can you squat down and act like you don't know where are you? Yeah. One, two, three. Can you squat down here? Yeah. Squat down. And do this. Yeah. I want you to lie down on this spot. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Then have one leg up. Yeah. This is nice. Go further. 1, 2, 3. The other hand, let's do something with the other hand. Maybe you like that. 1, 2. Put your hand up. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, no more.
Okay, let me see.
Okay.
That's the end.
Yay! We finished our photo shoot challenge. Yay!
I need my fan.
So we are done with today's challenge. Thanks for joining us today.
Yes, Shaf.
So what do you think, Chef? How is the shooting just now? How's the experience?
Not bad. It was very hard for me to walk.
Yeah,
I had
As
sand
you
in my
guys saw.
sandals.
Alright.
It was hot, obviously. It was hot. It was.
So who do you think did a better job, like me or Sujin? Do you prefer? Okay. She did a good job, right?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Okay.
So comment down below, who do you think did a better job, me or him? And remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we can continue providing more content for you in the future.
So we'll see you in the next video. Bye.